Did you proudly serve in the military? Or are you currently serving now, but you're worried about buying a home and what the costs were? You are in luck. Being a veteran myself, the VA loan is my favorite loan to do. Let's talk about it. Welcome back. This is Jeremy with CU Mortgage, bringing you from the closing table to the kitchen table. Today we're talking about VA loans. What is a VA loan? So basically what the VA loan does is it guarantees a portion of the loan to the lender in case you foreclose on the house. Now, do you qualify? The first qualifier is, have you served in the military? Great. Now, here are some dates. You must have served for at least 90 days, had an honorable discharge. If you were in the Guard or the Reserves, have you been activated for 90 days or more on federal orders? Now, boot camp does not count, 2-week camps do not count. It's just if you've been activated for non-training for more than 90 days. You must have a DD-214 or on the Guard side have an NGB Form 22. Again, with all of these things showing an honorable discharge. So what are the advantages of a VA loan? Buckle up, 0% down payment. You do not have to worry about a down payment, which is huge. The other thing that the VA waives is something called PMI. Other loans have what's called PMI, and I'm not even going to talk to you about it, but basically it's a monthly fee that other loans charge you in case you foreclose. The VA waives that fee. If you ever wanted to refinance, it is the easiest refinance to ever do. Simple. If you wanted to cash out on a refinance, you can actually go up to 100% of your home's value. If you want to take out some cash for, say, car loans or pay off credit cards or do a home improvement. The other good thing is you can use this with South Dakota Housing, which typically the VA will give you one of the lowest interest rates. Now, here's something that I didn't know when I was in the military. I always thought you can only use the VA loan once. You can use the VA loan over and over and over again. Now, keep in mind, you do have to credit qualify for a VA loan. The VA loan does not lend directly to the public, so they allow institutions like us to do the loan on their behalf. So you do have to credit qualify when it comes to credit score and debt to income ratio. All right, what's a disadvantage of a VA loan? The biggest disadvantage of a VA loan is what's called a funding fee. This fee is charged by the VA in order to do the loan. However, if you have a VA disability, it does get waived. If you don't have a VA disability, the VA is going to charge you this funding fee. Let's take a look and see what the VA will charge you. First thing we want to look at is the down payment. If you are looking at putting 0% down and it's your first time using the VA loan, the VA is going to charge you that funding fee of 2.15% just to do the loan. Now, if you put 5% down but less than 10% down, that funding fee will drop from 2.15 down to 1.5. Same thing if you put 10% down, first time using your VA loan, it will drop down to 1.25% of the loan amount. Now, if you do use the VA loan over again in that same box, you will see that the VA will charge you a higher funding fee if you put 0% down of 3.3%, but the 5% and the 10% are the same thing. I will tell you this, some realtors and some lenders are very scared of VA loans. There is so much paperwork involved. If you remember being in the military, the VA loves its paperwork. The military loves all of these jumping through hoops. So please talk to your lender or your realtor about doing a VA loan. And if they don't know how to do it, call me. I know this whole buying a home thing is daunting, but I am here to serve you like you served our great country. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or email me anytime and let me serve you. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the home buying process, check out all of these videos that I have out here.